about it. Oh, hello everyone, it's Jogo here. Hello everyone, it's Odin here. So today's story is all about baking and cooking for Christmas. Are we ready to bake? I'm so excited. Let's do this. So let's go to next page. Odin woke to the warm smell of the cinnamon. You like it? I like it. Jogo, what are you cooking? A Christmas breakfast. Well, bake cookies, pies, and cakes together. Odin smiled. Can I be the sweet taster? Do you like to taste food? I love it. Only if you help, laughed Jogo. So you're allowed to taste it. Okay, now they opened the cupboard looking for flour, sugar, nuts, and chocolate. Each ingredient is as important as the next, said Jogo. Odin giggled. So sugar is important because it makes me happy? I like sugar, but not too much. Not too much of it, but it's good for you. Now they made a mistake. What happened? Flour flew everywhere. Poof. All over your face. Okay. Snow inside the kitchen. He laughed. So Jogo smiled. Mistake makes the best memories. Now they mixed, rolled, shaped cookies like stars. Do you like it? I like cookies and I like stars. Okay. Cookies shaped like stars, hearts, okay? These taste amazing, said Odin. Yes, said Jogo. When you make food with love, everything tastes better. Now, what? I want to read. Okay, go for it. Soon the table was full of sweet smell and warm smiles. Yes, that's true. Friends came over to taste the treats that we made. Odin proudly said, we made it. These together with love. Okay, it's time for our song. Are we ready, everyone? Yes? Odin, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, let's go. Mix and stir, the bells ring bright. Cookie places out through the night. Santa footstep not far but near. Christmas love is always here. Here. Okay, everyone, until next one. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. This is Jogo. Bye-bye. This is Odin. See you later.